What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Engineered Lifestyle. My name is Alejandro Mendoza, and I'm gonna go grab a cup of coffee and work on some content today. Thought I'd vlog a little bit here about my first 2,000 miles on the KTM 890 Duke R. So this bike's the 2020 model year. I actually got it with about 2,000 miles on the odometer already. So kind of lucked out having got a great deal on it, and really I have no major complaints about the bike. I mean, as you see here, a lot of my riding is done in town. I commute on the bike, or at least I did in the summer. I've had it for about 3 months since August. And in that time, I've ridden 2,000 miles, so total odometer's about a little over 4,000 at this point. But in this video, we're just gonna talk about first impressions and shortcomings that I've found within that 2,000 miles. So of the shortcomings, a couple to mention are the horn, the chain, a little bit of a fluid leak, as well as the Cup 2s just melting away in the summer sun and becoming rock hard when the pavement drops below around 60 degrees. So I've run into all of these during my 2,000 miles of ownership, and to anyone who's been on the bike, I think the horn is the most concerning from someone who's actually commuting, apart from spending the several $100s on the Cup 2s melting away. I understand in reality this bike is not designed primarily to commute, though it is a great commuter. And I say that just because there's plenty of torque on the low end, and it is just so comfortable to ride. With that being said, from a safety standpoint, next season, during my commute, which is going to be a little longer because I just got a new job, will actually be done on a different set of tires with a louder horn. And I think that'll really improve the overall commuting experience. And having a track dedicated setup, perhaps with Cup 2s, will really bring this thing alive. So as part of this channel, I'll actually be doing all these modifications real time in a vlog style, and hope you'll join me because not only am I planning to do the horn, the standard stuff, but also the performance modifications, as well as some cosmetic stuff and motorcycle protection like sliders and everything like that when it comes to track day. So I'm really looking forward to all that modification and really sharing the experience of ownership with this bike. And if you have this bike, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of it, especially if you have higher miles than me. Unfortunately, it's going away for the winter right now, but I will certainly be performing a lot of work on it during this time, and hope to interface with a couple fellow owners. Otherwise, if you're an enthusiast just here for the bike content, or perhaps just trying to learn, join me. I will be learning at the same time, and hope you find this entertaining. If you liked the video, found any value in it, go ahead and press the like button, as well as the subscribe if you're interested in joining me on the journey. Alright, thanks.